Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
How to make Seasalt Dulce De Leche ice cream, with ice cream maker. Contains 4,213 calories. Ingredients needed. 1. 2 cups of whole milk. 2. 1 cup of heavy cream. 3. 16 ounces jar Dulce De Leche, approximately 1 2/3 cups. 4. 1/8 tablespoon of vanilla extract, good quality Mexican vanilla, if available. 5 3/4 cup of chopped pecans, toasted, however optional. 6. Flaked sea salt, to your satisfaction.
If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.